Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok caption. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok caption, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. Then you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on here, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode. And if it's not working, you can turn off your phone and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.